No, this is.
Lights out.
Oh, look at that! That was. Oh my gosh! Oh. Big power flashes off to the left.
If you look in there, your eyes will contact it. Keep over.
It's insane, dude.
Do you think there's going to be more wind associated with those little old eyes that are spinning around?
Little wedges rotating around the
What is
eye?
that? What's it going to be like?
Well, hit the fucking velocity.
These are birds. I bet those are birds and mosquito birds.
You know, that could be birds, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. The whole wall is gone. All right, so earlier on, we were up here on the 4th floor when we were experiencing Category 4 force winds, and we zoomed down from that side of the hallway, and all you could see was the wind buffeting all this structure, and couldn't tell if there was anything left, and now we're in the eye and we can see there's absolutely nothing left. This is incredible. Look out here into the stairwell. We came up and down this multiple times during the earlier portions of the hurricane. It's gone. So we got to go find somewhere safer to camp out for the second half of this hurricane. Oof. All right, let's get out of here.